Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts in Zoom. Now, this is pretty easy to do, and you can do this two ways: on the web app version and also in the PC version, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the PC version. So all we want to do is look to the top and we'll find contacts. You click on that. Here, as you can see, there's no contacts, but I can simply click the plus in the upper left and clicking here you can choose now invite a new contact or create personal contact or connect account, right? So I'm going to choose create personal contact right here, and we're just going to put a name. So I'm going to just type in Bob, for example. Email going to be bob@gmail.com as an example here, and we will just leave the office number. We'll just leave the rest. You can show more and you have a lot more details you can fill in, but I'm going to just leave it as is and click on confirm. Now you will see right here that I've added the contacts, right? And this is going to be personal contact. And here you can see once I click on all contacts, it is showing those contacts right here, right? So here you can find a few. Now, these are the contacts, right? Another way how you can actually add contacts is by going through the web version. And you can access this two ways. You can either open up the web version itself or click your account on the upper right and just go to profile, then click on profile. My profile here is going to open up the web version for you. And you can easily scroll down on the left hand side and click on personal contacts, right? Or if you're on the home page, for example, like this, you can click your account on the upper right, then go to the settings section. It's going to open up the same section here, while on the left side you scroll down and click on personal contacts. And you can now add contacts from here. So here you can see that you have those contacts right here, and you can click on add contacts to the upper right and basically fill in the details as you can see right here. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to type in, for example, Joy, for example, or let's type in Jesse, and we will create an email address like that. So jesse@gmail.com, and we'll leave the rest as is and click on save. And as you can see, we've added that account contact details as well. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. And you may be wondering if those contacts that you create on the web version also sync with the app on your PC, and the answer is yes. It may not show immediately, and so you might just want to close out and come back in. But as you can see, mine is already there. Just refresh or close the app and reopen, and you should see that the number actually, or the contact details actually sync up. And that's it. So that's how you can easily go ahead and add contacts in Zoom. Hope you found this useful. Give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, guys, and thank you guys for watching.